Hello, welcome to Gardener's World. Now, even though the weather isn't brilliant, there's no doubt about it, it does feel like the holiday season. Nevertheless, there are lots of jobs to do, and there's no doubt that summer is gently slipping away. So it's important to relish every second of it. This week, Carol goes to Dorset to revel in the sheer artistry of water lilies.
And it's these beautiful flowers which inspired some of the most celebrated paintings in the world.
And we have another masterpiece. This one is a wall garden in North Yorkshire. It's a perfect example of how to create a grand display in a small space.
Any art, and gardening is an art, then I think that's what it's about, blowing people's minds or blowing them out of their seats.